We can spit on it.
Put salt on our freaking drinks.
Where's the yellow?
What does it taste like, John Mark?
Tastes like Sprite.
No, it doesn't.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it tastes like Sprite.
Oh, we try another one.
No, it tastes like shit, dude. I taste that. It tastes like salt.
Don't worry, they did it to me too.
Oh my god, ew.
Pero masarap. Alam mo yung choco?
Seriously? It tastes like salt to
You
me.
don't know what the talking about?
He's denying
Favorite
it.
mo, yung parang chocolate chip, pero may white splash. It tastes like this. No.
We're eating pizza.
Why is she eating it?
Dude, that was not. It didn't taste good. It tastes like salt, dude.